Welcome to Infra Experts. Before we proceed creating a GCP account, we must bear in mind on the limitations of free tier account. So let's first see what all services Google offers for free in their free account. As of now, $300 in free credit for new customers is provided by Google and which is valid for 90 days. New users also gain access to over 20 free products with usage limits. So if you go through this link, Google might change the free services offered anytime. So it's better to have a check on this. So you can over here you can see what all things they are providing. Compute engine. You can browse through each and every of these products to see what all actually they provide. So compute engine. Over here, you cannot add GPUs to your VM instance. Request quota increases, or even you cannot create Windows server images. So your compute engine should be based on Linux. And you are limited to 8 cores or virtual CPUs running concurrently. Next, if you go to cloud storage. So cloud storage is 5 GB months of regional storage, and it is only in US regions it's available. So US regions, US East one, US West one, and US Central one region, over there only this free tier is available. To prevent getting billed for usage beyond the always free usage limit, you can always set API request caps. So if you go through this cloud storage pricing, you can see how much they charge for each and how much you have in your free account. Next comes BigQuery. So in BigQuery, 10 GB of storage is available per month and 1 TB of querying per month is available. If you want to know more about this free tier, you can always click on this learn more and you can go through it on how much is the price you need to pay. Cloud Run. So what is Cloud Run first? Cloud Run is a serverless, fully managed application platform that lets you run containers that are invocable via requests or events. It abstracts away all infrastructure management so you can focus on what matters most, building great applications. So over here, you can get 2 million requests per month, this much of GB seconds of memory, virtual CPU seconds of compute time, 1 GB of outbound data transfer from North America per month. Google Kubernetes Engine, also known as GKE. No cluster management fee for one autopilot or zonal cluster per cloud billing account. For clusters created in autopilot mode, pods are billed per second for virtual CPU, memory, and disk. And there's no fee for GKE Enterprise pay as you go SKUs for 90 days for one time trial period on any project linked to your cloud billing account. Cloud build. So like this, if you go ahead with all of these, you will come to know what all things are limited to your free tier account and you can plan accordingly so you don't get overbilled. Along with this, you should know that there's no SLA. SLA services do not apply to the services provided under free tier account. So you won't have any SLAs and it can take multiple days for Google to respond back. If your credit card expires or becomes invalid during the free trial, your account may get suspended and Google can terminate or modify the free trial at any time. So that's why I said always go, means when the video I'm making this video after this also, they might change all of a sudden the services they offer, the limitations and all. They can restrict multiple more, they can introduce few more. That's why it's better to go with this link to know what all services are currently under the free tier and what are the limitations to those. Saying this, in our next videos, we'll be seeing how to log into your Google account and how to create a compute engine, how to access storage, and all will be seen more practically in depth on it. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for our next upcoming video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.